Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the printer supports Wi-Fi Direct and is powered, loaded, and ready. This avoids interruptions. From the printer control panel, enable Wi-Fi Direct and record the SSID and any PIN. This is the credential you'll use. On your phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings and select that SSID. Do not join your normal router network yet. Once connected, make sure the device shows a local connection. This direct link is how print jobs go straight to the printer. Now you prepare the file and send it. Open the document, image, or web page, then choose Print or Share and print. Selecting the Wi-Fi Direct printer appears as an available device. Set pages, color or grayscale, resolution, and number of copies. These settings control speed and quality. Tap Print and watch for a sending status. If the file is large, allow extra time. Once the job transfers, the printer queues and prints. If items fail, recheck the SSID or PIN and resend. Finish by disconnecting from the printer SSID so your device can rejoin the internet. This prevents missed notifications. If printing doesn't happen, first verify you're connected to the correct SSID and entered the PIN correctly. Then confirm the printer shows ready and has no error lights. Make sure the device Wi-Fi signal to the printer is strong. If problems persist, reset or toggle Wi-Fi Direct on the printer, reconnect, and try again. This clears temporary handshaking issues and usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.